Hi, I'm Jerry Furkenstead with Hermes Web, and I want to introduce you to the web. Just the simple basics about it. Now this is Hermes Web. It's a colorful little stick. You just shake it like this, and you see it kind of expand itself to all its different parts. Now to put this as simply as I can, this is like a human being. Human being has all these different parts, and in every human being and in every organization, there's a place where everything connects. And that place where everything connects in a human being might be where your mind, your emotions, your body, your spirituality, everything comes together. In an organization, it might be where all the different departments, all the different facets of an organization come together. And what you really want is that that all connects well, that all the different parts are communicating. Now, typically what happens in a person, and all too often in organizations, is that a barrier comes into play. And that barrier kind of separates these two different levels from each other, creating problems. And again, the reason we're using this is that for some people it's just a lot easier if they can kind of see it and they kind of go, ah, yeah, that's right. All too often, you talk to this part of a person, and somehow the message doesn't seem to get down to their core, where it really matters. And then you have to start wondering, well, what's down here? What are the different things that might be laying down here that are getting in the way of that message happening? What kind of filters might be built into this barrier that are getting in the way? And the same thing might be in an organization. You've got a message, you've got a mission, you've got a vision, someplace you want to go. But what else is going on that might be getting in the way of that, either from the top or from below? And how do you talk about that? How do you communicate that to the people you're working with? And we really believe that this little simple tool is a great way to do that. That it helps people structure an idea in their mind so that they can see it in a way that makes sense to them. And once people can see an idea, and they can separate out different facets of that idea, they start to understand it. They start to be more responsive. And that's really what you want, and that's really what this tool is designed to do. So, we hope you'll use Hermes Web, because we think it'll help get your message across.